Are you spending too much or too little on your Google ads without seeing results? The secret might lie in your bid strategy. In this video, I will show you exactly how to switch between auto and manual bidding in Google Ads and help you decide which one is best for your campaigns. Choosing the right strategy can make or break your ad performance. So let's get started. Automatic bidding. What is it? Google's algorithm automatically adjusts your bids in real time based on the likelihood of a conversions or clicks depending on your campaign's goal. Similarly, manual bidding. What is it? Manual bidding gives you full control over how much you are willing to pay per click for each keyword or ad group. So manual bidding, when to use? Number one, no conversion history. Google doesn't have enough data to optimize automatically. New campaigns start with manual bidding to test keywords and gather initial data. Small budget, you need tight control over your course. Keyword testing to identify top performing keywords before scaling. So with manual bidding, when you don't have a conversion history in the account, you would always prefer to choose manual bidding since Google doesn't know what to optimize for as it doesn't have the conversion history. So I will explain you why. When there's no conversion data, Google's automated bidding strategy don't have enough signals to optimize effectively. Manual bidding gives you control to test, gather and spend effectively. Auto bidding, when to use? You have conversion history. At least 30 conversions in the last 30 days so Google can optimize for your goals. Scaling campaigns. Auto bidding saves time when managing large accounts. Performance goals. If you are focused on maximizing conversions, ROAS or clicks, complex campaigns, Google adjusts bids in real time across devices, audiences and locations. I'll explain you why to use auto bidding when you have conversion history. With sufficient conversion history, Google's machine learning can analyze user behavior and adjust bids to maximize performance, improving efficiency over manual adjustments. So key takeaways. Start with manual bidding when there's no data. Use it to test keywords, control course and build conversion history. Switch to auto bidding once you have solid conversion data for Google to optimize effectively. So let's get into the screen. I'll show you exactly how you can change the bidding strategy. Hi, so we are on my screen and I'll show you exactly how you can change the bidding strategy of your current campaign. So to do that, you need to log in your AdWord account, which is ads.google.com. Once you are logged into that, you need to select the campaign. Once you select the campaigns, then you have the option on the right hand side, campaign setting. Click on campaign setting. Under the campaign setting, you can find different setting options such as bidding strategy, status, conversion goals and other options. To change the bidding strategy, you need to click on bidding option and there you can see the option change bid strategy. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can see the different bidding strategies. So like conversions, conversion value, target CPA, you can find all those bidding strategies. As I'm using PMax campaign, so it is giving me only the option of bidding strategy, conversion, max conversion value and maximize conversions with a target CPA. For manual campaigns, you can change the bidding strategy to target CPA, max clicks, max conversions and others such as. So you can find other options such as max click, max conversions, max conversion value, target impression share, manual CPC. So the bidding changes would depend upon your strategy and the account history. So for all the new campaigns, I would always suggest to start with the manual CPC bidding strategy, since we don't have the conversion history, so algorithm don't know what to optimize for. So that is why initially you have to do the manual adjustment, and once you get the conversions and you have the history of conversions, you can then choose other automated bidding strategies such as max conversions, max conversion value, based upon your website, based upon what niche you are delivering to. So yeah, that is how you can change the bidding strategy of a campaign. So that is it for today's guide on bid strategies in Google Ads. Whether you go with manual or auto, for more control, the key is testing and finding what works for your goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more information. Let me know in the comment sections, are you team auto or team manual? See you in the next one.